In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fully lock a layer in the Layers panel. Locking a layer is one of those simple but powerful habits that keeps your designs clean and your workflow stress-free. It prevents accidental edits, nudges, or paint strokes from landing on the wrong layer, which is especially helpful once a piece of your layout or artwork is finalized and you want to protect it. Start by selecting the layer you want to protect in the Layers panel. Make sure you click directly on the layer's name or thumbnail so it becomes highlighted. That highlight is your confirmation that the layer is active and ready for the next move. If you're working with a complex document, double check that you've selected the correct layer by glancing at its thumbnail or name. It's easy to accidentally target a neighboring layer, especially when multiple items overlap in the canvas. With the correct layer selected, move your attention to the top of the Layers panel and look for the padlock icon. This little lock symbol is your shortcut to peace of mind. Click the padlock icon once. That's it. This fully locks the layer. Most apps will instantly show a lock symbol next to the layer you selected, confirming the lock is in place. What does fully locked actually mean? Once locked, that layer can't be moved, transformed, painted on, or edited. You won't be able to add filters, change its pixels, or accidentally drag it out of alignment. If you try, the software will simply ignore the action or show a small warning cursor. This is different from hiding a layer, which only affects visibility. Locking keeps it visible and exactly where it belongs, while protecting its contents from change. You might see other lock options in your interface, such as locking just transparency or just position. Those partial locks can be useful, but the padlock icon at the top of the Layers panel applies a full lock covering all common edit actions. It's the most straightforward way to safeguard a finished element while you continue working on other parts of your project. A quick tip: it's smart to lock background elements, finalized logos, or complex groups once you're happy with them. That way your focus stays on the layers you intend to modify and your finished parts remain intact. If you ever need to adjust the protected layer later, simply remember that it's locked and proceed accordingly before making changes.